A busy city street, day. A young boy named Tommy walks down the street, holding his mom's hand. He looks up at the skyscrapers, marveling at their size and wondering what's inside. Tommy, I wonder what's inside those buildings. I wish I could create something like that. Suddenly, a box of crayons falls from the sky and lands at Tommy's feet. He looks around, confused. Tommy, what's this? A voice booms from the sky. It's Flutter, Tommy. It lets you create anything you can imagine on your phone or computer. Tommy looks up to see a colorful, animated character floating in the sky. Tommy, Flutter? What's that? The character descends to Tommy's level and begins to explain. Flutter is like a box of crayons, Tommy. You can use it to draw and create all sorts of things on your phone or computer. It's like playing with Legos, but instead of building things with blocks, you build things with Flutter widgets, which are like small building blocks that you can put together to create buttons, pictures, text, and more. Tommy's eyes light up with excitement. Tommy, wow, that sounds amazing. I can make my own game, or a storybook, or even a website. Flutter? Exactly, Tommy. With Flutter, you can turn your ideas into something real that you can share with others. It's fun, creative, and easy to use. Tommy picks up the box of crayons and starts to play with them, imagining all the things he can create with Flutter. Thank you for watching.